Let us discuss the summary of the poem Skimbleshanks the Railway Cat. The poem starts with a bit of a panic. It's 11:39 p.m. and the train night mail is ready to go, but there is one problem. What is it? That Skimbleshanks is nowhere to be found because unless and until he's there on the train cannot leave. So everyone starts looking for him and everywhere. So just as everyone starts looking for him, he arrives there at 11:42 p.m. and it was found that he was there in the luggage van. So finally, when he comes, that train leaves from the station. And with just a look, Skimbleshanks lets everyone know that everything is under control. And the train finally starts moving, and he is like the real boss of the train. He watches over everyone, the passengers, the drivers, the guards, and makes sure that everything is running smoothly. Skimbleshanks patrols the train. He goes around in the train and makes sure that there is no mischief going on. And when he's there on the train, nobody plays pranks on him. Okay, so this shows his authority. The train itself is clean and super comfortable. Every passenger has their own space with clean sheets, adjustable lights, their own little wash basin. Okay, a guard comes on the train and asks them that what kind of tea they will have in the morning, and Skimbleshanks is right there beside him just to make sure that the guard doesn't forget the type of tea the passengers will have. Okay, so this shows that how particular he is about the comfort of the passengers on the train. While everyone is sleeping in the train, Skimbleshanks is awake. He's sipping his tea with probably a drop of scotch in it, and he keeps out an eye for everyone. And since he's a cat, so he also sometimes goes for looking for the mice and everything. So the train stops at the stations like Crewe and Carlisle. He says hello to all the station masters and the guards there. He often exchanges some polite conversations with them, and the poem finally ends with him saying goodbye to the passengers when the train finally reaches its destination at Gallowgate. He says them that okay, we will meet again in our next journey on the night mail. Hope you will find it helpful. Subscribe my channel Beauty of Language for more updates like this.